Hi all. In this video we will be creating a new GitHub repository so that we can push our code to the repository and our fellow team members can pull the code and start contributing to the same code base. So let's open GitHub. Click on sign in. New repository. So let's name it self assignment project. You can give any description. I'm just gonna give assignment as description. Please make the repository as private for your assignment. If you are using your RMIT account, creating a private GitHub repository will be a free of charge. So let's click on create repository. So our repository is created now. This is the link which we can use to clone the repository in our local system. Copy the link. Now let's open Git Extensions to clone the repository. Click on clone repository. As we have already copied the link, it's going to appear here automatically. So let's select destination folder. This folder is fine for me. We do have to create a subdirectory here. So self assignment project, the name I have given. Let's click on clone. We do have to write down our GitHub email ID here. And password. All looks good. We have cloned the project successfully. So let's have a look. Yep, as you can see, a new directory is created and .git folder is also created here. I have a basic Java project which now I'm going to open. So I'm going to copy all these files and paste here in my repository. So now let's push this code to the GitHub repository. For that, we have to open Git Extensions. And here you can see right now there is no commit in this particular repository, and we have made some changes as we have added these files. So it is showing us that you have made 5 changes. Would you like to commit? Yes, we will be committing this code. So first step is staging all the files. So let's select all, stage them, give a valid comment here. So I'm going to write initial commit. And as we know that there is no code already there in the repository, so we're going to just commit and push in just one go. For me, it's going to ask the username and password again and again because I'm using multiple accounts in my system. However, for you guys, it's going to ask only for one time. So all looks good till now. Yeah. So we have pushed the code to the repository. Now let's see the code which we have just pushed is there in the GitHub repository or not. Let's open GitHub. So we were here. Let's click on the repository name, and here you go. You can see all the files which we just pushed from Git Extensions tool is there on the repository. I have already opened this particular project on my Eclipse, so let's make some changes in here and push new code to the repository. So let's write down this is my self assignment and save the file. Let's open Git Extensions again. Here again you can see there is something to commit. So click here and we can stage all. Generally we don't need to push .class files. You can add into your git ignore to ignore all the .class files. So for now let's stage app.java file. Some new changes. Again, as we already know that there is no new code already added by someone else on the GitHub repository. Therefore, we will just commit and push in one go. Otherwise, we do have to commit the code first and pull the code which is added by someone else. Then we have to push our code. Okay, so we have already pushed the code to GitHub. Now let's check if our code is there or not. So as you can see, our new changes are there on the GitHub repository. So that's all for now. In the next video, I will demonstrate how two different users can contribute to the same repository. So I'm going to open two accounts side by side and we will be pushing the code from both the accounts, and of course we do have to pull the code as well. Thank you.